So my name is Mike Fielden. I'm CEO of Barato Farms, and we're based in Bacchus Marsh, just northwest of Melbourne. So we're looking at the main farm. This is a bull farm. So this is about 200 acres, just over 200 acres of irrigatable land that we use for growing salad crops and whole head lettuce crops. Yep, so I think over the years, biosecurity has become more serious as we start to bring more stuff in on an import-export basis. So in order to be able to look at maximum number of markets that we can use, and also to keep the farm safe and secure, our thought process around biosecurity has increased to try and help protect the business and also develop the business. So what we've done is we've gone down the digital route. So we've engaged businesses like Onside, because that gives us real-time digital data, which is better for us, we find. It allows us to keep more control, and it allows us to have good quantifiable records. We also do foot washes, we do wheel washes, we wash down machinery between the 4 farms, so we run 4 farms around Bacchus Marsh. And we also have, with the Onside facility, we have QR codes, which means that we can see as people enter the other satellite farms, so not just a farm here. So we can see who's coming and going in real time, and that also means that we can have an effect. So if we need to go and see that person, or we think there's a concern, we can go straight out and address that situation. And it also means as well, if there was ever an event anywhere, we have digital information readily available that can be downloaded by whoever wants that, and allows us full traceability and transparency. The boot scrubbing and the tyre wash is purely to stop that transfer. The digital QR codes, that allows us, as I say, to see that real-time information. It's also easier for people. So pretty much everybody these days has a digital device that's able to take the QR code information. That means that it's a lot easier. People aren't searching for a pen and paper. They're not coming to one place to sign in. It keeps it live and real. And it means that people are more likely to use that than they are if they had to come to an office. So the benefits have been a better awareness, there's been a better engagement with people that are visiting. It's still a reasonably novel approach, and people like that. They find it easier. And the engagement with regular contractors and with regular delivery people is a lot better because it's a lot simpler. Even old people like myself are much more accepting of trying to do new technology. So with a little bit of guidance and a little bit of help, then people do adopt it really well. Bit of advice I would give is take it seriously and protect your business as best you can. And the best way to do that is to make sure you have real quantifiable data.